Welcome back to the Academy channel. Today we're diving into the world of luxury vinyl flooring, or LV for short. Did you know that over 80% of commercial facilities are now using this amazing material in 2024? Stick around to find out how to care for LV flooring using knowledge from the Academy of Cleaning Excellence. LV is not just your regular VCT flooring that requires all the costly maintenance. Unlike VCT floors, LV is 100% non-porous, meaning it's easier to maintain and stays beautiful longer. So hang in there, we'll help you learn. With LV, you can say goodbye to the labor-intensive processes of buffing, stripping, and refinishing. Instead, you'll enjoy a low-maintenance routine that saves time and money. Let's start with the basics. Your first line of defense against dirt and grime is matting at the entrance. Keep that mat empty and clean, and it will help protect your facility's flooring investment. Sounds simple, right? Next up, the routine clean and renew. Cleaning your LV floor is as easy as using a microfiber pad and water, multiple times a day to keep grit and grime at bay. Rinse that pad out and repeat. But what if you want to take cleaning a step further? Use a cylindrical scrubber and the Clean Product pH-neutral cleaner to really get those contaminants off your luxury vinyl, whether it be planks or tiles. Once a week, it's time to renew. Using the same scrubber, apply the Renew solution to bring back that factory luster and clarity. Remember, clean, 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 renew. Then repeat, clean, 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 renew. Follow this routine and your LV floor will look great for years. Uh-oh. What if your floors looks bad now because they haven't been cared for properly? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Introducing Restore. This low pH solution removes all the tough stuff. Food service grease, daily grime, and even old finishes. Apply it with a pump-up sprayer, and then let your cylindrical scrubber dryer do the work. Once you've removed the gunk, rinse with the scrubber dryer. Now you have a blank canvas to start fresh with, the clean and renew process of daily maintenance. But wait, the flooring is already damaged from scratching and wear? No problem. After using the Restore to remove everything, it's time to apply one coat of Shield to camouflage the damage, enhance the color, and bring back the luster like new again. One coat is usually enough, but if you must, go for a second coat. Remember, the thinner the coat, the better. Thanks for watching, and be sure to attend the class that is right for you. Whether you choose from online education or in-person skills training, we have the right class here at the Academy of Cleaning Excellence. Don't wait, register today and become an LV flooring maintenance pro. See you soon. Be sure to like and share with others, comment and subscribe for more tips and tricks on maintaining your LV flooring.